Okay, including Archana, Dinesh, Alok, great Alok, the great, yeah, Dakshata, Chirag, Chandrash, yeah, you all have, yeah, and some of you all have given the answer. Yes, this is a demand zone. Friends, let me explain to you this. Why this is a demand zone? You know, it becomes very easy once you go through the trading program, because we will be teaching you 4 candlesticks pattern. Now, one pattern is called drop. If you want, I will explain to you with lines. Okay, so I'll explain to you with line. So this is called drop. This is called drop. And who was asking me basing? Basing, I think somebody was asking me. Satish, you were asking me basing. So drop. So since Satish was asking me, I think I want to tell him how that base happens. So the base will be here like this. So this is called base and this is called rally. So I will show you how this rally happens. So this is called rally. Yeah, so this is called drop base rally. So this is, so that is called, you know, DBR. So this is a beautiful demand zone. Now I will take this trade. I want you to tell me number of shares that I should take. Number of shares that I should take a trade. Let's relate it with money, na? Paise ke saath. We can go wrong also, but tell me anybody typing number of shares that I should take trade in. I will take that many number of shares. Whatever that you all are comfortable with, just start typing and I will take the trade of, okay, so first came was 1,000 shares. Okay, let me take 1,000 shares. Okay, then Chandrasekhar 100, Sandeep 100. So let's take not 5,000 shares, Dinesh, Mukesh. Yeah, so we'll take 1,000 shares. So I'm going to type it here. What I am typing right now, you're not able to see it, but don't worry, ultimately you will see it. So I will say take 1,000 shares and we will see whether we are making profit or no. Now, let me explain the steps. First step, mark our zone. This whole thing is our zone. So this is our first step. So we have identified this is the level at which institutional buy orders are sitting. So we have identified this. Now, where will we buy? Whenever the prices comes down, we will buy above the zone. So we will buy before the institutions start buying. So whenever prices hit this line, we will buy. Also, we are going to protect ourselves because I'm telling you we can go wrong. We can go wrong. So our stop loss will come here below the zone. How to calculate it? We will be teaching you in our training program. And our target will come here somewhere. Okay, this is how you calculate your target with multi-time frame analysis. So I'm not going to get into that, but we will show you. I'll show you how it works. Now we are very clear. If the trade happens, we can either go right or we can go wrong. In case we go right, we will make large money. In case we go wrong, we will come out with a small loss. This is called risk to reward ratio. This is magical. Now, friends, prices are there only. They are not coming down. Okay, this is tick by tick movement. Now, friends, prices are here. Our demand zone is here. Do we need good news for the prices to come down or do we need bad news for the prices to come down? When do prices come down? Yeah, Bijoy? Yeah, when will prices come down? Deepak, Dinesh, Kabir, yeah, Harish, prices, Harish, niche kabhi aate hai, Hemal. Prices, yeah, Chandrasekhar, perfect. Yeah, you want bad news. Let's spin the money in our favor. Get the points very, very clear. There are certain points while taking the trade, I'm going to explain to you because that will be the best way of learning, okay, how this whole thing happened. Yeah. Yeah, prices are coming down. Yes. Now see, prices are coming down. They have come down. Now there is utter panic. All retailers are sellers. All retailers are saying, "Oh my God, abhi to khatam ho jayega market." Now targets will start coming down. अभी तक नहीं आए prices, not yet. Touch. Yes, trade has happened. As soon as prices have touched our line, we have bought 1,000 shares of ITC. The trade is done. We have bought it around 165. Prices are still coming down. No worries about it. See, look, we have this line ready for us. So even if prices come down, that means we have gone wrong. We will limit our losses.